Okay, here are the answers for the 821 review part 1. So for this first one, it says rewrite each of the expressions below in a simpler form using exponents. So this first one, it's 4 to the second 5 to the third. If it didn't say using exponents, we could say it was 16 and then multiplied by 125. B, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 to the fifth, y to the second. C, there was actually 2 ways you could have written it. You could have done 6x to the fourth and left it in parentheses, or you could have done 6 to the fourth, x to the fourth. Both would be correct. If you rewrote it as 6x to the fourth without parentheses, it was incorrect. 848, calculate the following products without using a calculator. So 10 to the second, I move it over 2 spaces. So I get 659.01. 10 to the seventh, I'm going to move it over 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 3 zeros. So 6, 8, 9, 3, 2, 3. And my commas in. 5.86 times 10 to the fourth, I'm going to move over 4 spaces. So it's 586. 2 zeros after it, 58,000. And the last one, I'm going to move over 3 spaces, so it's just 92. 49, graph the following points on a coordinate plane. Connect the points, then translate the points 3 units right and 3 units up. What are the coordinates of the new vertices? So 1, 1 would be right here. 4, 1. And 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 would be right here. So when connected, it's going to make a triangle. Change colors. To move it right 3, or 3 right and 3 up. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and put my new dot. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll put a new dot here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll put a new dot here. So my new ordered pairs are 4, 4, 7, 4, and 6, 7. 51, enrollment in math courses at Kennedy High School in Bloomington, Minnesota is shown in the circle graph at right. If there are 1,000 students enrolled in math courses, approximately how many students are enrolled in algebra, and geometry, and calculus? Well, if you notice, calculus and algebra make up half the pie. So I would say algebra is about 450, which means calculus 50, because together they would be 500. And geometry looks like it's a quarter, so I would say it's about 250. 52 says determine the compound interest earned on $220 invested at 3.25% compound annually for 6 years. So the formula I'd use for this would be 220. 1 plus my percent is a decimal, so it'd be 1.0325 to the 6th power. And that's going to give me the final amount I have in my account. So I just put it right in my calculator. And it gives $220.0325 to the 6th power. It gives me about 220 or 266.54, which is the amount at the end. So to figure out the interest, I actually subtract them. So I get 46.54.